Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit Joker movie filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile and your videos using Premiere Pro. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the contrast -20. Highlights -20. Shadows +20. Whites -50. Blacks -30. Go to curve. Follow these settings. And go to color. Bring the temp +15. Bring the tint +2. Vibrance +14. Saturation -30. Go to color mix. First go to red color and bring the saturation -24. Luminance +6. Next go to orange. Bring the hue -10. Saturation -15. Luminance -30. Go to yellow. Bring the hue -60. Saturation +30. Luminance +30. Next go to green. Bring the hue -100. Saturation -40. Luminance +30. Go to sky blue. Bring the saturation -60. Luminance +20. Next go to blue. Bring the saturation -60. Luminance +40. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the dehez -70. Vintage -50. Go to split tone and bring the hue to 56 and saturation 20 for highlights. And bring the hue to 75 and saturation 5 for shadows. Balance -50. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.